everyone, this is Elle. Welcome to LCat TV channel. I'm showing you now my channel. In this video, I'm going to show how to add a trailer on your Premiere. Now, what's the goal of adding a trailer? Well, it will give you a lot of views in one of your short videos. So, you are actually hitting two birds at one stone. Promote your Premiere and at the same time get some more views of your videos, one of your videos that you selected. So how to do it? Now here I'm using my laptop. So I'm here on the channel. I'm on my channel. Click the profile picture. So just click this one. And then next is click YouTube Studio. Then after that, go to the left side. Click the content. Alright. And then select one of your premieres. I'm going to select this one, the pencil icon. Alright, let's wait. Alright. So on the bottom right side, scroll it down. Find the edit Premiere. Alright, here it is. Okay, go back to the left side. So you have there redirect. That is when you want to redirect your audience to the next video. And then let's find the trailer. That's our goal here. Alright. So actually I have already here my trailer. I'm gonna be deleting that because my goal is to show to you how to add a trailer. So here's a trailer. There's add button there. Just click that. Alright. And then here is the list of my short videos. So I will select which one will it be. Alright, I'm going to select this one. This is actually my videos 2 weeks ago. So I'll select this because I want this one to have more views. Okay, I'll select that. So now I already added a trailer. Next is click save. Alright, so it is now saved. My Premiere has its own trailer now. And make sure you save it. Alright, save it on the top right corner. Okay. Tell the people what you wore. It was an itsy bitsy teeny